Growing a Meyer lemon tree is truly a joy. The process of nurturing this tree from a small sapling to a full-grown fruit-bearing plant is incredibly rewarding. It's not just about the end product, but the journey of growth and care that makes it special. Meyer lemons are a cross between a lemon and an orange. This unique hybrid gives them a distinct flavor profile that sets them apart from regular lemons. They combine the tartness of lemons with the sweetness of oranges, creating a delightful balance that is perfect for a variety of culinary uses. This makes them sweeter and less acidic. The reduced acidity means they can be enjoyed fresh without the overwhelming sourness of traditional lemons. Their juice is perfect for making refreshing lemonade, adding a zesty twist to salads, or even enhancing the flavor of desserts. Their skin is thin, smooth, and a deep yellow. This vibrant color is not only visually appealing but also indicates the rich, aromatic oils contained within the peel. These oils can be used to add a burst of citrus flavor to dishes or to create fragrant homemade cleaning products. The fragrance alone can fill a room beautifully. The scent of Meyer lemons is both invigorating and calming, making it a wonderful addition to any home. Imagine walking into a room filled with the fresh, citrusy aroma of these lemons. It's like bringing a piece of nature indoors. Imagine picking your own fresh lemons at home. There's something incredibly satisfying about harvesting fruit that you've grown yourself. It's a connection to nature and a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. Plus, having a supply of fresh lemons on hand means you can enjoy their benefits anytime. The reward of a Meyer lemon tree is year-round. Unlike many other fruit trees, Meyer lemons can produce fruit in multiple seasons, providing a continuous supply of fresh lemons. This means you can enjoy their delicious flavor and numerous health benefits throughout the year. It offers lovely, fragrant white blossoms. These blossoms are not only beautiful to look at, but also attract pollinators like bees, which are essential for the health of our ecosystem. The sight of these delicate flowers can brighten your day and add a touch of elegance to your garden. These flowers can appear throughout the year. This means that your Meyer lemon tree will always have something to offer, whether it's the beauty of its blossoms or the promise of future fruit. It's a living, breathing part of your home that changes with the seasons. Then come the fruits, often in abundance. A well-cared-for Meyer lemon tree can produce a bountiful harvest, giving you plenty of lemons to share with friends and family. You can use them in cooking, baking, or even make your own lemon preserves. Even the glossy, dark green leaves are attractive. These leaves add a lush, tropical feel to your garden or home, making the tree a beautiful focal point. They also play a crucial role in the tree's health, helping it to photosynthesize and produce energy. A Meyer lemon tree can brighten any space. Whether you place it in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home, it brings a touch of nature and a splash of color. It's a versatile plant that can thrive in various environments, provided it gets enough light and care. Having one in your home or garden is wonderful. It's not just about the fruit, it's about the experience of growing and caring for a living thing. It's a hobby that can bring joy, relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment. Let us explore how you can grow your own. From selecting the right sapling to providing the proper care, we'll guide you through each step of the process. With a little patience and dedication, you'll soon be enjoying the sweet rewards of your very own Meyer lemon tree. First, you must choose a healthy young tree. Look for a plant with vibrant green leaves. Avoid any trees with yellowing or spotted foliage. The stem should look strong and sturdy. Check for any signs of pests or diseases. A good garden center will offer healthy specimens. Next, you need to select the right container. Meyer lemons need good drainage. This is key. Choose a pot with plenty of drainage holes. A pot about 12 to 15 inches in diameter is good. Terracotta pots are excellent as they are porous. The right potting mixture is very important. Meyer lemons prefer well-draining, slightly acidic soil. Good preparation makes a very big difference. Now it is time to plant your new tree. Planting a tree is a rewarding experience that connects you with nature and provides a sense of accomplishment. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, the process of planting a tree can be both therapeutic and educational. Handle the young tree with gentle care. The young tree is delicate and needs to be treated with the utmost respect to ensure its healthy growth. Avoid holding it by the trunk or branches. Instead, support it from the root ball. You do not want to damage the roots. The roots are the lifeline of the tree, providing it with essential nutrients and water. Damaging them can stunt the tree's growth or even kill it. Take your time to inspect the roots and ensure they are healthy and free from disease. Prepare your pot and soil mix nearby. Having everything ready before you start planting will make the process smoother and more efficient. Choose a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and rich in nutrients to give your tree the best start. First, add a layer of potting mix to the pot. This initial layer will provide a stable base for the tree and help with drainage. Make sure the layer is even and covers the bottom of the pot completely. The top of the root ball should be an inch below the rim. This ensures that when you water the tree, the water will not overflow and will be absorbed by the soil. It also allows room for additional soil to be added later if needed. Gently remove the tree from its nursery container. Be careful not to pull on the trunk or branches. Instead, tip the container on its side and gently slide the tree out, supporting the root ball with your hand. Inspect the roots. Tease them out if tightly packed. If the roots are circling the root ball, gently tease them out to encourage them to grow outward into the new soil. This will help the tree establish a strong root system. Place the tree in the center of the new pot. Positioning the tree in the center ensures that it will have equal space on all sides to grow. This also helps with stability, preventing the tree from leaning to one side. Ensure it is standing straight and upright. A straight tree will grow more evenly and be less prone to falling over. Take a moment to adjust the tree and make sure it is perfectly vertical before adding more soil. Then begin to fill around the root ball. Add soil gradually, pressing it down gently to eliminate air pockets. Make sure the soil is evenly distributed around the root ball to provide support and stability for the tree. Once planted, water your Meyer lemon tree well. Watering helps to settle the soil around the roots and provides the tree with the moisture it needs to start growing. Be sure to water thoroughly, allowing the water to reach the bottom of the pot. Place your newly potted tree in a suitable spot. Meyer lemon trees thrive in sunny locations, so choose a spot that receives plenty of sunlight. This will help the tree produce healthy leaves and eventually, delicious lemons. Your tree is now ready to start growing. With proper care and attention, your Meyer lemon tree will flourish and provide you with fresh homegrown lemons for years to come. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the beauty of your new tree. Meyer lemon trees absolutely adore the sunshine. They need at least 6 to 8 hours daily. More sunlight usually means more flowers and fruit. A south-facing window is ideal if grown indoors. If outdoors, choose the sunniest spot you have. During winter, indoor light levels can be low. You might consider using a grow light then. Temperature is also a very important factor. Meyer lemons prefer warmth, like a Mediterranean holiday. Ideal temperatures are between 18 to 24 Celsius. They can tolerate slightly cooler or warmer spells. Keep them away from cold drafts in winter. Also avoid placing them near heat sources like radiators. Protecting them from cold is absolutely crucial. Section 5. Nourishing growth, watering, humidity, and feeding. In this section we will delve into the essential care practices that ensure your Meyer lemon tree thrives. Proper watering, maintaining the right humidity levels, and feeding your tree with the right nutrients are crucial steps in its care routine. Watering your Meyer lemon tree correctly is vital. These trees have specific watering needs that, when met, can lead to lush growth and bountiful fruit production. They do not like to sit in soggy soil. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is detrimental to the health of your tree. It's important to strike a balance. It's best to water deeply, but less often. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the tree more resilient during dry periods. Allow the top inch or two of soil to dry out completely between each watering session. This drying period helps prevent overwatering and ensures the roots have access to oxygen. Stick your finger into the soil to check moisture. If the soil feels dry at a depth of about an inch, it's time to water again. When you do water, do so thoroughly. Ensure that the water reaches the root zone, which is where the tree absorbs most of its nutrients. Water until it flows out from the drainage holes. This indicates that the soil is fully saturated and excess salts are being flushed out. Discard any excess water from the saucer beneath. Standing water can lead to root rot and attract pests. In winter, your tree will need less water because its growth slows down considerably. Be mindful of the reduced water needs during this dormant period. Meyer lemons appreciate a bit of humidity. These trees thrive in environments with moderate humidity levels, which can be a challenge indoors. Indoor environments can often be quite dry, especially when central heating is being used. To combat this, consider using a humidifier or placing a tray of water near the tree to increase humidity. Feeding your tree provides essential nutrients for growth. Regular feeding ensures that your Meyer lemon tree has the necessary elements to produce healthy foliage and fruit. Use a balanced fertilizer formulated for citrus trees. These fertilizers are specifically designed to meet the nutritional needs of citrus plants, promoting vigorous growth and abundant fruiting. Apply the fertilizer according to the package instructions, typically every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. By following these guidelines for watering, maintaining humidity, and feeding, your Meyer lemon tree will be well on its way to becoming a thriving, productive plant. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are key in nurturing your tree to its full potential. Happy gardening, and may your Meyer lemon tree bring you joy and a bountiful harvest. Section 6. Shaping for Success, the Gentle Art of Pruning. Pruning is important for your Meyer lemon tree. It helps to maintain a good shape and size. Pruning also encourages better air circulation. This can help to prevent some diseases, and it can lead to more fruit production. A well-pruned tree is a healthier, happier tree. Do not be afraid to give it a trim. The best time to prune is usually in spring, after the main harvest if it has fruited, or before a new flush of growth appears. Remove any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. Also, prune any branches that are crossing. Use clean, sharp secateurs or pruning shears. Section 7. Room to grow. Repotting your Meyer lemon. Your Meyer lemon tree will eventually need repotting. This gives its roots more space to grow. It also provides fresh, nutrient-rich soil. Young trees may need repotting every year or two. Mature trees might need it less often. Look for signs that your tree is ready. One sign is roots growing out of drainage holes, or you might see roots at the soil surface. If the tree dries out very quickly after watering, this could also mean it is root-bound. Repotting is best done in the early spring. Choose a new pot that is one size larger. Prepare the new pot with fresh potting mix. Section 8. Keeping healthy pollination, pests, and soil pH. If your Meyer lemon tree lives indoors, consider pollination. Outdoors, bees and wind do this job naturally. They transfer pollen from flower to flower. This is necessary for fruit to develop. Indoors, you may need to lend a hand. You can use a small, soft paintbrush for this. Gently dab the pollen from one flower's anther, then transfer it to the stigma of another flower. Pests can sometimes trouble your Meyer lemon tree. Common culprits include aphids, scale, and spider mites. Inspect your tree regularly for any signs. Look on the undersides of leaves especially. Early detection makes them easier to manage. Section 9. Conclusion. A zestful journey rewarded. Growing your own Meyer lemon tree is a fine thing. It is a journey filled with simple pleasures. From choosing your tree to that first harvest, each step brings its own quiet satisfaction. These trees offer so much more than fruit. They bring beauty, fragrance, and a connection to nature. Even in a small space on a balcony or patio, you can enjoy the delight of a citrus tree. Remember the key things for a happy tree. Plenty of sunshine is absolutely essential for them. Water wisely, letting the soil dry slightly. Feed regularly during the growing season. Prune gently to keep it shapely and healthy.